Hey, what's going on? It's Tom McGiveron, the home sales expert. I'm experienced, confident, and super energized. Welcome to this edition of the Home Buyer Toolkit here on my YouTube channel. We're going to talk about how much money do you need today to buy a house on Long Island. Let's do this. Let's do this! All right, so the first thing I want you to do is please like this video, comment, and share it with a friend. Also, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Bang! Hit that thing. Yes. So let's dive in. How much money do you need to buy a house? Okay, it's a very common question, I think, amongst new buyers, people who are just trying to get in the market. They're thinking about it. They're feeling it out. Okay, so let's do this. The first thing you got to remember is you're going to need closing costs. Now, closing costs can run you between 4 and 6% of your purchase price. Get out a calculator. All right, so that's going to run you about $15,000 to $25,000, depending on what price range you're in. I'm just giving you a general idea of how much money you're going to need to make sure you can close on the property. What are closing costs? Closing costs consist of your attorney fee. It consists of your title insurance and your title work that goes into the property, the taxes, okay? That goes into an escrow account. And those are that's like your money. It's going into an escrow account, but you got to pay it up front. Usually between 5 to 9 months of escrow money. That's what lenders like to have. And that's your savings account that the bank uses to pay your taxes. Because let's remember that a mortgage payment is principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. That's P-I-T-I. I pity the fool. Now we need our down payment. Okay, now your down payment can fluctuate between 3% to as much as you want. Okay, but on the minimum, usually 3%. Now, if you're a veteran, thanks for your service. With VA loans, you can get as little as 0% down, completely 100% financed. But we're going to stick to most people where you're going to be putting money down on a contract and putting money down overall. And that, again, is going to be between 3 to as much as 20% or more. So what does that look like? I get the calculator again. Now, on the low end, with prices the way they are in Long Island, you're looking at around $15,000 or less. Like if you're buying a $300,000 house, your lowest payment you're probably going to be around is about $9,000. And you get to that higher end, up towards $1 million, right? The minimum you're going to be putting down, probably somewhere around $50,000. Since the average price on Long Island as of today, making this video, is around $675,000. Calculator out again. At a minimum, you're going to be looking at around $20,000 down payment based on the average selling price. So a grand total that you should probably try and save on the low end is going to be somewhere around, so for a lot of people, it's going to be around $40,000. $40,000 might seem like a lot of money. Hey, listen, I'm not going to say it's not a lot of money. What I am going to say is this. If you have an IRA or a 401k or some kind of savings vehicle, you can borrow from that. And a lot of people do. I've had many clients do that, where they take some of their money, they pay themselves back over time. That's a great way to get that money so that you can actually buy a piece of real estate. That's going to do it for this video. What I'd love for you to do is, again, like the video, comment, and I want you to subscribe. That would be fantastic. Watch the next video. If you haven't already, you can grab the link in the description of this video and grab it at longislandtom.com, where you can listen to my podcast and learn about, hey, how do you protect yourself from inflation? How do you prepare for a closing? How do you prepare to do just about anything on my Home Buyer Toolkit and my website, The Home Sales Expert, or longislandtom.com. I'll see you on the next one.